800s. Nice. They don't?
Not anymore.
Not anymore? Okay, so they're old?
Yeah, they're old. They're guys continue.
Okay. What? Oh no. Langston crazy.
Yeah.
What is it tuned to? You know?
He did it. Oh, he did. What's it tuned to?
32 hertz?
32.
Okay. How big is the box?
How big's the box?
5.5. Okay. And these are what sub?
DD Audio 800 series.
What series?
800.
800. Okay. I didn't know they made 800s. Nice. They don't?
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Okay. So they're old.
Yeah, they're old. They're guys continue.
Okay.
But they still get down.
Where's your? Okay. There's your amp.
Yeah, I'm on the wrong amp right now. I'm on an M3. I'm supposed to be on an M5.
What is this the amp rated for? You know?
I don't know much.
It's alright.
How was the amp rated for? Is it 3000? Yeah.
3K?
Yeah, 3K. I got it right.
That's alright. And you got a Shuriken battery?
Two of them.
Two of them. 1, 2. Alright. Do you know what you're wired to?
I think it's series.
So series to 1 ohm?
4. Series or parallel? Series.
1 ohm, half ohm. 4 ohm. Oh, so he's up. Okay, so 4 ohm. You can get louder then.
Yeah. He didn't mean to, but that happened.
Okay. That's alright. You got one more song maybe to play? Let me get some outside flex.
See, it's at 4. We was gonna change out the subs and get a 5K in here.
Okay.
So we wired it at 4 ohms just to see how she does.
Yeah. Awesome. Heck
When we
yeah.
get to the shop, I'll wire it down.
Okay. Nice.
Like we just put this in like 2 days ago.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. An 800 series. I don't think I've ever seen this. DD's 800.
This is the 800 series.
Yeah, I didn't even know they made them.
They discontinued them.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. I want to get some outside flex.
Heck yeah. I ain't really good to no bitches. Never know you at. I don't fucking freelance. That guy, motherfucking play. You know? Come on, still come.
That was 25 hertz to 29?
25.
Wow, okay.
These sub handle that thing like a champ.
Yeah, it's doing great.
You ain't got money on deck? Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.